In this video, we're going to show you how to export your mini animation of your page 1, scene 1. We're going to go to File, Export, Export Video Media. The format, we're going to have it as H.264. We do not select entire movie. We're going to select scene. I am going to have my full duration because I utilized it, but as you can see, you can change your duration right here. If you did not go all the way to the end, you can put the number that you want to end it at. The output, we're going to click that folder, needs to be in our animation folder. I'm going to leave that as page 1, and I'm going to click on Export. The Adobe Media Encoder is usually a default to help with this. Depending on how much you have going on in your animation, it may take a while to render out and export. This message should pop up if it has rendered out or exported correctly. It's going to let you know when it's successfully created. Then you just click on OK. I'm going to minimize my animate. And this is the media encoder that actually did the rendering. So the media encoder I'm going to minimize as well. This is my animation project folder. This is the MP4 that we just rendered and exported. You may see this, which is a .swf. Where did that come from? It came from our Animate. When you do test movie, it makes a .swf in your animation project folder. That file we're not using, but you can hold on to it if you like, or delete it. We do not need that. The actual file we'll be using and you'll be uploading will be the MP4, the exported version of your FLA. And this is your animated finished movie. It is a animation of your working native file, which is your Animate CC right here. And this is the end result. And that is the file we want to hold on to along with this file. This file is the file you want to pass on to people who need to look and see your animation completed.